Razman babi Afrika yang
Perak has detected African Swine Fever (ASF) at 3 commercial pig farms in Hilir Perak and Batang Padang. State Plantation, Agriculture and Food Industry Committee Chairman Razman Zakaria said the cases were confirmed by the Veterinary Research Institute (VRI) laboratory here using the Real-Time Polymerase Chain reaction RT-PCR test. Razman said 1 case was reported in the Hilir Perak district and 2 others in Batang Padang district after tests were done on March 27 and April 4 respectively. He said in a press conference at his office in Bangunan Perak Darul Ridzuan here today. The pigs were destroyed using the CO2 gas method based on the guidelines of the Animal Welfare Code of Practice Animal Disposal Management before being properly buried.
susulan daripada itu penularan penyakit